What is good, y'all? John D. Saunders here. You know the vibes. In today's video, I'm talking about maintenance plans. If you're a brand designer, a web designer, web developer, you probably try to figure out ways that you can create longevity, increase your MRR or your monthly recurring revenue, because you might get projects that are 60 to 90 days at max. Well, I'm going to show you how to create maintenance plans that create longevity with your clients, foster a relationship, and create that nice, sweet MRR that you've been craving. So let me dive into my computer, show you how it's done, and we'll do this together. All right, y'all. So if you've been thinking of creating a maintenance plan or creating some type of recurring income for your clients, I've got a really great solution for you and a process that you can follow to get that done. So first things first, you want to have some type of landing page that sells this service. I'll break down ours and you can use this as a template to create yours. And so you want to provide overall what you're giving the client, followed by the pricing. I always put a button or CTA, call to action, right at the top so they can hit learn more and go straight to the subscribe button here. Also, you want to talk a little bit of an overview of what's included. Now, in our membership, we have different types. We have just a maintenance membership where we maintain the website for clients. We have a subscription where we'll do design and development activities for them as well, which is a little bit more elevated and costs a bit more, but you can follow the same architecture throughout. So, of course, have an overview of that service. Then you want to have a breakdown of what's included. They get unlimited requests, 48 to 72 hour delivery, project management, dedicated teams, all-inclusive monthly pricing, seamless communication. So here's everything that's kind of included in that offer. And then of course we have a link to see any recent work that we've done recently, and you can hit learn more to see a curation of just some recent projects and content that has been created. And then here we have a full spectrum of creative deliverables. Here are all the deliverables we would provide for them: logo design, sales presentations, custom CMS, all of that good stuff as well. And then here on the subscribe page is literally a link. You click, it takes you straight to Stripe where that client can pay. They hit subscribe, and then we have an onboarding process where they're onboarded and ready to rock with us. Also, close out that page with an FAQ with common questions that you might get that can answer some of those questions, those vetting questions for those customers. And then, yeah, that's pretty much the entire kind of landing page here on what's included. Now, once a client's onboarded, this is the important piece because we see a lot of agencies drop the ball in this process. What you want to do is, and you can follow this criteria, this template and everything we actually built in our course called the Web Design Studio Accelerator. You get the template, you get everything here if that's something that you want to do. If not, you can just follow this through the video and execute this yourself. So ultimately, you have a landing page called Client OS for the customer. It talks a little bit about the space, the project space. I like to have a quick 2-minute video where clients can watch it and get an understanding of how to leave feedback. Then we ask them to follow the checklist by accessing this doc and then bookmarking the page on their browser. Then we create something called a task submission hub, which you can take a look at here. This is actually built through ClickUp, our project management platform. This is the info that we give them. Keep it pretty nuanced. 3 questions, be detailed, add attachments, and then 1 task per request. So they can enter the name of the task, they can enter the description, browse, hit submit. It'll automatically drop into our project management system for them to go ahead and leave that feedback. And then of course we have a project tracker that coincides with this submission hub right here, where they can see the tasks that have been completed, the ones that are in client review, and the objects and items that are in the to-do list. And then of course we have a bookmark here and then our email addresses for contact as well. So the client can visit this one page and get everything they need. You want to make this process as simple as possible. So to just reiterate, the main things you need here are the welcome message, welcome video, the checklist, their submission hub where they can leave those tasks, the list of tasks that you're either working on or provided here in this item breakdown, and then a link for them to go ahead and bookmark this page so they can access it anytime. And of course, contact info here. If you do this, this will set you on autopilot. It'll make it really easy for you to review jobs, review tasks. They'll automatically drop into a tracker like ClickUp. Again, we provide this in our Web Design Studio Accelerator. If you're interested, check it out when you can, y'all, and I will see you on the flip side. Thank you all for checking out the video. Make sure you subscribe, drop a comment with any questions, and I will see y'all next week. Peace.